Hi friend, my name is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee and as you all know I'm a booktuber and I'm making videos on this book. The name of this book is The Laws of the Spirit World, okay? And friends, as I always say, this book is this long and I cannot make this full book in one video. So what I'm doing is that I'm making each and every topic on each and every video so you can understand in a better way friends, okay? And friends, what I'm doing is that I'm giving number to each and every video. So whenever you see any video, if you come sequence wise 1, 2, 3, 4, you will understand in a better way rather from seeing 15 video, 83rd video, 26 video. You will be getting confused, friends. Okay. And friends, what I'm doing is that if you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section, and you can also connect with me on Instagram. And friends, do subscribe my channel, like the video, press the bell icon, so whenever I upload a new video, you will get notification, friends. Okay. So I will start. In our last video, I have covered the topic called "Are there angel in the spirit world?" This was the topic which I covered on the last video. And in today's video, I am going to cover the topic that is, are angel different from spirit guides? Okay. So I will start, friends. Okay. Yes, the two are different. Every soul on earth has a guardian in the spirit world who guides the earthly soul. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling angel and spirit guides are different, and every soul have a guardian in the spirit world who guide that soul. This guardian is known as spirit guide. It is his or her mission to guide you on the right path. As soon as you take a birth, a soul in the spirit world is assigned as your spirit guide from birth to death. So this is a very interesting point which Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kosher Bhavnagri. Vipsi and Ratu is telling as soon as we take birth in this world, a spirit guide is appointed to us, right? And it is the responsibility of spirit guide to make sure that we complete our earthly journey in a very fantastic manner. This is done by the high good soul of that realm. So this work is basically done by the high good soul of our realm. So those friends, those who doesn't know what is realm, I will be telling them. Already I have covered this topic in many videos, but still I will tell. Realm is basically there are seven realm which exist in the spirit world. First, second, and third realm is considered to be the hell. Fourth realm is considered to be neither hell neither heaven, and fifth, sixth, seventh realm is considered to be the heaven. Okay, friends. So you will know who your spirit guide is. Your spirit guide will stay with you your entire life. However, when you go wrong, your spirit guide will not be able to reach you. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kosher Bhavnagri that our high good soul is going to allot a spirit guide as soon as we take birth in this world. And our spirit guide always guides us what is correct, what is wrong, and how to go in the correct path. But many a time, what happens when we decide that we are going to go in a wrong path, or we are not going to follow the instruction of spirit guide? That time it is very difficult for our spirit guide to guide us. They are unable to guide us and reach up to us. When a human being commits sin, his subconscious mind starts to shut down, and there will eventually come a point when the subconscious mind becomes completely dormant. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kosher Bhavnagri that whenever a human being start committing sins, start committing crime, his or her subconscious mind start becoming dormant. Means subconscious mind start becoming closed. And once the subconscious mind is closed, then it is very difficult for us to reach our spirit guide. That our spirit guide reaches us. So it is very difficult for our spirit guide to reach us. When this happens, your spirit guide will no longer be able to send you healing, protection, and guidance, as these things are assessed by human through the subconscious mind. So here is a very interesting point which Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kosher Bhavnagri. That is, whenever we are in deep trouble or our subconscious mind get closed, it is not possible for a spirit guide to contact us to or to send healing or to send healing energy, because our subconscious mind becomes completely dormant, and the healing energies and everything and our spirit guide send a message through our subconscious mind. So it is very important for a subconscious mind to become open, right? Which is the main link to the spirit world. When your subconscious mind shut down, your spirit guide has to work extra hard by impressing you through your physical mind. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kosher Bhavnagri that when our subconscious mind becomes dormant, so it is very difficult for our spirit guide to send us messages. That time our spirit guide works very hard to send us message through our physical mind, through our conscious mind. This could happen in form of a physical sign, a person on earth giving you correct guidance, or a wake up call. However, if you still do not change, there is nothing your spirit guide can do. So now the question is how a spirit guide contacts us through a physical mind. So our spirit guide can contact us through physical mind by some sign. We will see some sign, we will see something, or the people who are staying near to us, they are going to tell to us to they are going to spirit guide is going to give the message through them. So indirectly our spirit guide is going to, or some earth person is going to come and tell you should do this or you should do that. So in that way our spirit guide will contact make the thing manifest for us. Therefore God has given every human being double protection from negative influence. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kosher Bhavnagri that for this reason God has given every soul a double protection from negative influence. Now let's see what is this double protection. The first is your powerful subconscious mind and the second is your spirit guide. So these are the two double protection which is given by the God to us. One is our powerful subconscious mind and second is the spirit guide. It is your spirit guide's duty to watch, guide and protect you throughout your life and enable you to fulfill your earthly mission. So it is the duty of a spirit guide to guide us in the full lifetime and to protect us from the earthly mission. When you need advice, you must pray to God genuinely and ask for help. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kosher Bhavnagri that whenever we need advice of God, we should pray to God genuinely and ask for help. You must pray to God genuinely and ask for help. The spirit guide will do his or her best to give you the guidance you need as they are specially trained to guide soul on earth. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kosher Bhavnagri that our spirit guide is going to do the work perfectly because our spirit guide knows how to train the soul on the earth, because our spirit guide process a very highly training on this, right? But it is our responsibility to do good karma in in our life and to go further in our life. This is their main work in the spirit world, and through this process they too learn and continue to evolve. So here means now as a spirit guide us, even spirit guide also learn many new things, and even they also evolve in the earth and evolve in the spirit world, and they also do spiritual progression in their life. In very difficult situation, the spirit guide will consult other wise soul and seek counsel. So if there is a situation where spirit guide is also stuck, yeah, they also cannot understand. So spirit guide is also going to counsel high good souls to take the counseling session. As here there are counselors, so there also in the spirit world also there are counselors. So our spirit guide counsels with them and take the suggestions from time to time for the development of our soul. This information is being given to you because many people feel lonely on earth. So this information has been conveyed to us via Korshed Bhavnagari, via Vipsi and Ratu, via Korshed Bhavnagari in this book, because many of us feel that there is no one for us, there is no one to take care of us. But there is spirit world and there is spirit guide who always take care for us 24 into 7, 365 days. If they feel they have no one to turn to for advice, but if you develop your subconscious mind, you can pray to God and ask your spirit guide for help. So here if we develop our subconscious mind and if we can pray to God, then we can definitely ask for help via our subconscious mind to God to help to tell to spirit guide to help us. You will be surprised at how the guidance will come to you, and more importantly the strength that you will come to you face your problem courageously. So even we cannot understand that how the guidance is going to come to us, and we are going to get strength to cope all the problems in our life, and we will definitely evolve in our spiritual journey very fast. This Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Khorshid Bhavnagari. So friends, this topic came to an end. In our today's video, I have covered the topic called Are Angel Different from Spirit Guides? And in our next topic, I am going to cover the topic called Can an Earthly Soul Twin in the Spirit World work as a spirit guide? So this is going to be the next video. And friends, as I always say, this book is this long and I cannot make this full book in one video. So what I'm doing is that I'm making each and every topic on each and every video, so you can understand in a better way, friends. And friends, what I'm doing is that I'm giving two numbers to each and every video, so you can understand in a better way. Apart from going one, if you see videos from 1, 2, 3, 4, you will understand in a better way. Apart from seeing 18, 24, 63rd, you will get confused, friends. And friends, what do subscribe my channel, like the video, press the bell icon, so whenever I upload a new video, you will get the notification, friends. Okay. And friends, if you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. You can connect with me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Abhimanyu Bhattacharya 1906. Okay, friends, this brings end to today's video. I will be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, friends. Okay, take care. Bye, friends.